Hey, how's it going, guys? Today I am at a park and I'm planning on shooting some GoPro Hero 8 footage, and I'll be shooting 4K 60 frames per second at a high bit rate and a flat color profile. So just gonna go to a couple different locations and upload it to YouTube for you guys to check out how it looks. And everything in this video will be shot with just the GoPro, completely handheld, no gimbal or anything. Just a simple edit, maybe some color grading, and that's it. So pretty much out of the box, if you get a GoPro, this is what you can expect for quality wise and a little bit of editing. So roll that clip.